How to use Super Key Blank to change any key blade. Try to use Super Key Blank to get TOY 48 blade. We used M to tank CNC key cutting machine to get this operation. Click Generate Key Type. Select Laser Key Blank. Here we search TOY for 8. TOY for 05 cuts same as TOY 48. Click Continue. Cutting for the first time. The application says that using the cutter 1.5. Please install the cutter 1.5. Prepare as Super Key Blank and then install the Super Key Blank. Click Cut.